Ano-ano ba yung qualification pagka kukuha ka ng student permit? Okay. Dapat Filipino citizen at least 16 years old, pwede nang kumuha. Okay, pag Filipino, 16 years old, pwede ka nang kumuha ng student permit. Pag foreign national, 18 years old, pataas. Student permit, okay? Must be physically and mentally fit. Must be able to read and write in Filipino English or major dialect. Okay, dapat nakakapagbasa, nakakapagsulat. Okay? Kasi pagka hindi ka marunong magbasa, ibig sabihin, hindi ka pwede mag-drive. Kasi hindi mo mababasa yung mga traffic sign na nakalagay sa kalsada. Okay? Must be able to read and write in Filipino, English, or major dialect. Must not have unsettled traffic violation. Okay? Kasi merong mga sample, kukuha ka pa lang ng student permit, pero pagkadating mo sa LTO, may violation ka pala. Okay? Merong ganon. Nag-drive ka nang wala ka pang lisensya,